Hello, today I'm going to go over how to manage the news river. Everyone likes to be up to date with the latest news, and Edsby makes that easy. The news river is located at the top of everyone's home screen. So once you log in, all the news is posted across the top. To create a new news article, you'll want to go first to the school page, then click on the Submit an Article button. 3 things are important when submitting new articles. You need a title, something in the body, as well as an image that will show in the news feed. So we're going to talk about Spirit Week. And I have a flyer I have prepared. You can insert resources from your computer, your Google Drive, or add a link or video. I have this on my computer. So here is my flyer. I'm going to paste it right into the body. And then I am going to go select my image for the news feed and hit submit. Once we hit submit, it will only be seen by administration until it is approved, even when posting as an administrator. So in order to approve, you scroll down to the bottom of the post and hit approve. Then it will show up in the news feed for all users. We hope this helps and you have fun keeping your school informed and up to date. Thanks so much.